Wajig. This is the native language course in Ninimun. Margaret Wabano Miles, the instructor. Egoramina Jamad Staich Lesson 1. I'll be doing a review on Lesson 1. Language charts. So, the language charts, again, they're divided into 3 sections. The first one is basic characters. Second one is long characters. The last one is different consonant sounds. So we're gonna do chart number 1. Vowels. The first chart is in syllabics, basic characters. Vowels is on the front row. It's better to practice these characters along with the consonant sounds. So we're going to start with the vowels A, E, O, A on the top. A, E, O, A. And the beginning consonant sounds. We're going to start with B, P, Be, Bi, Bo, Ba. The D sound, T, D, T, De, Di, Do, Da. And the G sound, K, G, K. Ge, Gi, Go, Ga. Ge, Gi, Go, Ga. And the Ch, J sound, S, S, J, Ji, Jo, Ja. The M sound, M, Me, Mi, Mo, Ma. N, 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 Ne, Ni, No, Na. The S and the Z sound, Se, Si, So, Sa. The Sh sound, SH and ZH, Sh, She, She, Sho, Sha. And the letter Y, Y, Ye, Ye, Yo, Ya. And the W sound, W, W sound, We, We, Wo, Wa. The letter R, R, Re, Re, Ro, Ra. L, Le, Li, Lo, La. And the extra sign is H. And the X for the end of a sentence. The next chart is the long characters. Again, the vowels are on the left hand side and the consonant sounds. And the finals are on the right. The vowels are on the left and the consonant sounds are on the left side of the chart. So again, on the top, the vowels A, E, O, A. And the H, the final H, H sound, H. So we're gonna start with the consonant sounds. Be, bi, bo, ba. De, di, do, da. Ge, gi, go, ga. You can hear the long sounds in this chart. Je, ji, jo, ja. Me, mi, mo, ma. Ne, ni, no, na. Se, si, so, sa. She, she, sho, sha. Ye, yi, yo, ya. We, we, wo, wa. Re, re, ro, ra. Le, li, lo, la. And the third chart is the different consonant sounds. So in this chart, you can see the W in between the words. Again, the vowels, e, I, o, a. The consonant sounds. So the different consonant with the first one, pue, pui, po, pua. De, dui, do, dua. And the next one, que, qui, quo, qua. Jue, jui, jo, jua. Mue, mui, mo, moi. Nue, nui, no, noa. Sue, sui, suo, swa. Shue, shui, shuo, shwa. Ye, yi, yo, yua. We, we, wo, wa. Re, re, ro, ra. De, li, lo, loa. And that was chart number 9. And the finals. Chakabehigana. So there are two different writing styles for the finals, Western and Eastern. So the finals, they are on the right hand side of the chart, small raised characters. Some examples. Okay, we're gonna do long and short vowels. Next is examples of long vowels. You could see it on the left. E, O, A, and E. So in the English equivalent for E, would sound like seat, seat, and the O, long O, note, note, a, father, father, and the for bed in the English word bed. In the name one, you would say ikatebo. Ikatebo meaning move or to change seat. Ikatebo. And the long E sound is in front of the word beginning. Ikatebo. Nina. Nina meaning I or me. Nina. And you can hear the long I sound in the middle of the word. Nina. Nippy. Nippy is at the end of the word. Nippy meaning water. The long O sound. Oma. Oma. You can hear that at the beginning of the word, meaning this one. Oma. Most. Most. Meaning most. Gonapo. Gonapo. Snow water. Gonapo. The long A sound. Astam. Astam. Meaning come or come here. Astam. Ihtawan. Ihtawan. Meaning village. Ihtawan. Beaqua. Beaqua. You can hear the long A sound at the end of the word. Beaqua. Meaning once. And for the sound, Emekwan. Emekwan. Meaning spoon. Bekat. Bekat. Slow. Bekat or slowly. Kagige. Kagige. Forever. So for the short characters, I, O, and A, and the English equivalent would for the letter I would be sit, sit, and in the language, isquel, isquel. You could hear the sound in front of the word, isquel, meaning woman. Niska, Niska, Canada goose, Niska. Ispiche, ispiche, go ahead. Ispiche. The short character O in English sound put, put. Onagan, onagan. Unagan, meaning plate. Unagan, plate. Wapush, wapush, wapush. You could hear the sound in the middle of the word. Wapush, rabbit. Isko, isko, meaning space or so far. Isko. You could hear the O sound at the end of the word. Isko. The S sound. But. Aski, aski. You could hear it beginning of the word. Aski, meaning land. Wabask, wabask. Polar bear. Wabask. Egwa, egwa, meaning and or so. So with the consonants, there are two, there are more consonants than vowels in the native language. All letters used to write consonants are found in English. Some have a pronunciation very similar to that which they have in English, while others are quite different. So the consonants are in single form and others are doubled. The single form letters are M, N, W, and Y. So we'll do some examples in the single form. The consonant M, and in the English equivalent, man, man, in the language, and in Nimuan, maskisin, 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 meaning shoe. Shoe. You could hear it at the beginning. Maskisin. Uma, uma, meaning this, this. Uma. And the next word, magwaham, magwaham. Squeeze or to tighten. Magwaham. And the consonant N, and in the English equivalent would be name, name. In the native language, nabil, nabil, meaning man. You could hear the sound beginning of the word, nabil, nabil. Benel, benel, meaning partridge, benel. Goon, goon, meaning snow, goon. the consonant W, win, win, win. And in the language, in any one language, wano, wano. You could hear the sound in the beginning of the word, wano, wano, meaning far. Nawatinam, nawatinam. Catch, nawatinam. Wow, wow, meaning egg. Wow. And the consonant Y, yes, yes. So in a name one would be kiapit, kiapit, meaning still. Kiapit. Asay, asay, meaning time yet or already. Asay. In double form, the consonants are D, T, G, K, the C, Ch, CH sound, and J. S and Z sound, and SH and ZH. So the first one, the D sound in English would be time. No, sorry. The B. The first one is B. B and P sound in English would be bit or pit. And first one, the Enini Monanok, you would say Baba, meaning dad. And the other one would be Baso, Baso, dry, to be dry. Kapat, kapat, meaning cabinet. Cabinet. Nistoshap, Nistoshap, meaning 13. Consonant D and T. The T sound in English, time or dime. And in the language, Tapue, 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 meaning really or truly. Wastel, wastel. You could hear the sound in the middle of the word, wastel, meaning glow or the light, show light. Wa still. So the next word is gegad. Gegad, meaning nearly. Gegad. The G and K sound. Kauna, kawina, meaning don't. Wihkato, meaning long time. Eg, egwenag, for the first time. Egwenag. The ch sound. K and j. Chitasquan, 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 meaning nail. Majesta, majesta. Start. Minigach, meaning roasting pan. Minigach, you could hear the ch sound at the end of the word. Saskatchew, Saskatchew, the S sound. Saskatchew, be thawing snow or thawing snow. Esquaso, 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 be burnt or be on fire. Esquaso. We ask, meat. The SH sound. Sheep, sheep, meaning duck. Sheep. Gishasto, gishasto, gishasto. My goodness, or well. Apishish, a little, meaning a little. Apishish. So we're gonna do more examples of vowels. The letters. Short A, long A, E, I, long I, short O, and long O. The first letter A in English, buck, buck. And in the language, in the name one, attim, attim, attim. And the translation, dog. The long A sound, rat, rat. Astam, astam, meaning come. The letter E, sound, emekwan, emekwan, means spoon. The short I, apo, apo, meaning sit. The long I sound and the English equivalent would sound T, T. And in the language, Kina, Kina, meaning you. The short O sound, Osam, Osam, meaning too much. The long O sound in English, soup, soup, in the Niman language, bus, bus, meaning cat. And the consonants, the letters W, P, T, K, C, M, N, L, S, S, H, Y, and H. The letter W, wa, wi, wi, winter. We ask, w, we ask, meaning meat. P, top. Bip one, meaning be winter. Bip one. The letter T, t, boat, boat, in the English sound. At them in the translation in the Nimun language, at them, meaning dog. The next one is K in English, pick, pick. Mystic, mystic, meaning tree or stick. K, chair. Miigwech, miigwech, thank you. The letter M, money. Ministik, ministik, meaning island. N, nose. And in the Nimun language, Nina, meaning me, Nina. L, sound like. Aligish, aligish, meaning frog, or anigish. S sound as in gas station. In the Nimun language, Bisam, Bisam, meaning sun. The SH sound, bush, like bush and shirt. Asham, Asham, meaning feed her or him. Asham. The letter Y, as in yellow. In the Nimun language, Yagwa, Yagwa, meaning look out, Yagwa, or watch out. And the letter H, ahem, ahem, in English, and in the language, in the Nimun language, ehe, meaning yes. So in lesson 1, the key question is the first one. In letter A, write the basic characters in syllabics. Like the one on top where it says vowels. E, I, O, A, and next to the is written in syllabic, and same with the I, the O and A. So for this exercise, you will need to use your chart. Basic characters, beginning consonant sounds. So you will put them each in the empty squares into the 4 columns. And letter B is fill in the missing consonant sound. Fill in the missing beginning consonant sounds, finals, and different consonant sounds in the boxes. So this chart is some empty squares in the columns. So you will fill in the vowels, and the finals also. Again, you will need to use your chart. In the C, write the basic characters in Roman orthography. So again, use your chart. D is write the syllabics characters into each blank square. E is consonants. Write the syllabic characters into each blank squares. So on the left hand side you will see the syllabics, and you will fill them in into each rows. So remember, in syllabics, writing the small raised letters are used to represent an isolated consonant sound at the end of a syllable. And on F, it says write the finals in Roman orthography. Again, you will need your chart. G, fill in the missing consonant sounds and finals in the chart. So this chart is basic characters combined with Roman orthography and syllabics. Assignment H is vowels. Fill in the English equivalent in a name one and the translation for each vowel. And letter I is, no, H is still the same, so the consonants, you will do the same. Fill in the English equivalent. in a Nimun and the translation for each consonant sounds, consonant letters. J is long and short vowels, and in this assignment, underline the long vowel, circle the short vowels, circle the short vowels in the Roman orthography column. So there's 3 columns on this chart. The first one is the English words. The second column is Roman orthography and syllabics. So write the word in syllabics in the syllabics column. So the first one on the English column, the first word is $4, and it is written in Roman orthography, Newabisk. So you write the syllabics on the syllabics column. The next one is Dal, Bibisikan, be careful, Beteg, Beteg. You could see that it in the red, the letter E is circled for short because it is short vowel, so you circle the short vowels. Dog, Atim, forever, Nesbit, Nesbit. Door, Squattem, prevent, Ustihel, prevent. Forehead, Miskatik, sturgeon, Namel. Her, his home, Weekik, Weekik. Of course, Chigema, Chigema. Caribou, Atik, Atik. Yes, Ehe, Moose, Moose. Emekwan, Emekwan means spoon. Unagan means plate. Niska, Niska, Canada goose. Muskison, Muskison means shoe. Dabwe, Dabwe meaning truly. Dabwe. So with that assignment, you put the words into syllabics. Next we have K. Vocabulary words from lesson 1. Fill in the boxes using the word list and put the words in alphabetical order. So the words are we ask, meaning meat, Kabat, kabat meaning cupboard. Wanikyo, wanikyo meaning forget, forgot. Wanikyo, forgot. Isquel, isquel, woman. Nabel, nabel, man. Muskison, muskison. Niska, niska. Kina, kina. Onagan, onagan meaning plate. Aqua, aqua. Meaning, are you ready? Aqua, ready. Uma, uma. This one. Aski, aski. Meaning land. Most, most. Meaning moose in English. Astam, astam. Come, come here. Nippy, nippy. Meaning water. There's numbers 1 to 15 in the chart. So you will put these words, these, and then name one words into the chart in alphabetical order. So the first one, number 1, and you would look on the list. Number 1 would be Astam. So you would put it under number 1, Astam. Number 2, Aski, Aski. And so on. So you fill this whole chart using the words. There's 15 words. And that is all the lesson key questions for this lesson 1. And all the information is on the cover page. So Wasa Distance Education Center, the phone number. Lesson 1 key questions. Language charts, vowels, consonants, and finals. And the email, you will find the email there, and then the extension number. And that is all for lesson 1. Wajik.